Good evening, sir. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself and your family. I hope that you are in good condition while watching my video. I am Rosemary Antiquina, 24 years old, undergraduate of Associate Computer Technology in Axley College, Iloilo, single and no children. I experienced a domestic helper here in the Philippines with four members in the family, three adults and one child. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, washing, laundrying, marketing, and playing and tutoring children. I promise, sir, that if you hire me, I will do my very best and follow your rules and regulation. I promise that I will treat your family as my family too, and I promise that I will finish my contract as long as you like me. I promise that I will do my very best. Thank you and see you soon.